I'd like to thank the Extensive Reading Foundation for this award, and a big thank you to everyone who voted for it. My thanks also to the team at Oxford University Press for all their terrific work on this book. I got the idea for the silver statue when I realised that whatever city in the world I happened to be visiting, there was always one of those living statues somewhere in the city centre. I've always found them fascinating and a little bit weird. I also really wanted to write a story about music and musicians. In fact, when I was a teenager, so a long time ago, I really wanted to be a drummer. I never achieved that ambition, but perhaps writing a story about a drummer was the next best thing. Anyway, I very much hope that students will enjoy reading this story as much as I enjoyed writing it. Thank you.